Sorry. No, that's okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, thank you.
Look at the wind. It's not only raining hard, it's blowing hard too.
Let's get going back.
No, wait until this dies down. I'm not going to go out in this. I'll be drenched in a second. Yeah. I definitely would wait until this is over. Yeah, cradles are always extra.
Yeah, but can you?
Yes, everything has a cradle. Cheap piece of plastic they can sell you for $30. Everything has a cradle. At a hard time, you have to make sure you get the cradle for the right carrier. Because sometimes Verizon is a little bigger phone. No way is the game going to continue. Look how wet the outfield is. It's supposed to be able to take 16 inches an hour. That's how fast it's going now. Look at that.
drink today. Look at this. Oh, you have a herb tea by
Circling around, or we're gonna see a tornado. Okay, did you think about trying to return it over? I think it's dying down a bit.
Sometimes it happens. It said yellow for my phone, and it didn't send it's got candies in it. Today's game, he's forward and traded in.
So if you put you up in a hotel, will you find a place to stay?
No, I'll. You gotta find a place to stay. As soon as like that.
143 straps. I gotta go talk.
He watched the Yankee game. Oh, Carl, you know what? Where do you want down there? You better call someone.
Oh.
I'm not anybody.
Is it a both your uncle?
Yeah, my other uncle.
Are they saying that you ever tell them to move? You know, like this week, he goes, Jamie, if anybody comes and stands over here, you need to tell them to move. I go, Carl, I'm not telling anybody. He goes, okay, fine, I guess I'll tell them. I go, Carl, I go, they can stand there and there, and he's like, he goes, no, because I can see them. It's not, you have to go the other way, this other door, sorry, it's so treacherous. I just don't have a key. Sorry. No, actually, I heard
First time I ever did before it rained.
yeah.